Once you purchase Embrilliance, you will receive an email from the company with a serial number for your purchase. So you want to go to embrilliance.com. This is their page. And there is a menu here for products, purchase. This is where you would click if you want to buy it. And then there's downloads. Click on downloads. On the downloads page, here is where you can download the demonstration version. And here is the link to download if you have a Mac. And here is the link to download if you have Windows. I have Windows, so I'm going to click this. You can see Embrilliance file downloading right here for setup. Go to the yellow folder on your taskbar and click it once. And then over here in the left menu, click Downloads. There is the Embrilliance setup right there. Click it once to highlight it, right-click, and extract all. It wants to know where you want to extract it. You can leave it right where it's at and click Extract. Once the file has been extracted, a new window will open up and it'll say Embrilliance Setup. Double-click that, and it will begin the installation process. Your computer will want to know if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes. You want to accept the agreement and click Next. You want to create a desktop shortcut, click Next, and then just click Install. You want to launch Embrilliance, click Finish, and click this box here in the corner to make it bigger and expand the window. And then here in the Help menu, you want to go to Serial Numbers. And this is where you're going to put your serial number that you received in your email. Once you put your serial number in, click Set and Done. And you are up and running with Embrilliance.